watch. How about Masha and the bear?
No, maybe Ferdinand?
No, Flash.
No pony.
Okay.
Bogod, stop looking at your phone. Come on, let's watch TV together.
Okay.
Marat, you need to close the fridge.
And eat it with the fork. It's a fork for a pastry and desserts.
So what? I can still eat chicken with it?
No, you can't. This fork is for... forget it.
What? You think I don't know it?
Yes, I think so.
Challenge?
Yes, it's a challenge.
While Chingiz and Marat are getting ready for the challenge, I will teach you something about kitchen utensils. This is a pastry fork or a dessert fork. You use it to eat a cake or a pie. This is a brother, a pastry spoon. It's for ice cream or a souffle. I love using them.
I'll help you. These are a dinner, spoon, and fork. We use them to eat spaghetti or soup. We eat them a lot, like every day.
Yes, we use it every day.
And there are more utensils for different purposes.
I wondered if Chingiz and Marat are ready. Let's find out.
On the table you see 4 different utensils. You have to tell us what each one is for. You go one by one.
Oh, pastry fork.
Pastry? No, it's a dessert fork.
The same thing.
Right.
It's a knife for... Okay, you first.
You don't know what is it?
Of course I know. It's a knife for bread, maybe.
Butter.
Right.
The spoon is for sugar.
No, it's a spoon for fruit.
You are right, Marat.
Okay, final round. What is this?
Oh, easy. It's not a knife for pie.
No,
Knife for chocolate,
no,
Meat,
no,
pizza,
no, no,
vegetables.
no,
cheese.
no.
Then what is it?
Bread.
Come on, really?
Let's get out here.
On the table is a plate with sandwiches for us. They're tasty, don't you think? A sandwich for you and a sandwich for me. On the table is a spoon and a fork and a knife. They're handy, don't you think? eat from a plate. I prick with a fork. I scoop with a spoon. And I chew with my jaw. I am very careful so it won't fall on the floor. On the table is a plate with an apple and banana. They're tasty, don't you think? The apple for you, the banana for me. On the table is a plate with a cookie and a sweet. They're delicious, don't you think? The cookie for you and the sweet for me. It's time to eat now. Come sit with me. We'll have a snack, one for you and one for me. It's time to drink now. Come sit with me. We'll take a sip, one for you and one for me.
Let's repeat today's grammar. Verbs show the action and time of action. For example, I have a book. Have is a verb and it's present time. My brother played football yesterday. Played is a verb and it's in the past time. My grandfather is reading his newspaper. Is auxiliary verb and reading is a verb. It shows that the grandfather is reading his newspaper at this moment.
Close the fridge. Spoon. Fork. Knife for bread. Plate. Plate. Kitchen utensils. Kitchen utensils.